సార్ మళ్ళా గ్రూప్‌లో ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాం సార్.
ఎస్లాబాద్ గణేష్. చిన్నపిల్లలు అయిపోతున్నారు రోజు రోజు. Yeah, okay. It is everything is recorded. I am telling clearly. Yeah, okay, leave it. Yeah, after that last class we discussed based on the mean value theorem. The two theorems are completed. One theorem is Rolle's theorem, and second one is what it is, Lagrange's mean value theorem. And again, if you are going to observing like that, the first two Rolle's theorem is we discussed the two classes, and Lagrange's theorem is discussed that one class. And again, whoever practice that Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's what we discussed in the after the last class, then easy to understand that third theorem also. Okay, I'm telling clearly. And here today also I'm going to discuss that particularly based on the Lagrange's theorem and different type of the more problems we are going to discuss that. Okay, and what is the different type of the more problems based on the Lagrange's mean value theorem? See, once again you recall that Rolle's theorem. The Rolle's theorem is nothing but it is a function is a continuous function and differentiable function f of a is equal to f of b. That means whenever the function is satisfied the continuous function in the closed interval a comma b, and the differentiable function is in the open interval a comma b, and third condition f of a is equal to f of b, if it is satisfied, then it is a Rolle's theorem, it is applicable. And if it is applicable the Rolle's theorem, you need to find out f dash of c is equal to 0. Then with the help of that f dash of c is equal to 0, you find out it is satisfied c is lies in between a comma b, that is an open interval. Okay, and where that Lagrange's mean value theorem, the function is a continuous function, and second one is a differentiable function in the open interval. That is, if these two conditions are satisfied, the Lagrange's mean value theorem it is applicable. And if it is applicable, the Lagrange's mean value theorem, then you need to find out with the help of that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Then there exists at least t belongs to a comma b is a condition. Where you are going to observing that comparison like Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's. Rolle's theorem is the three conditions, and here it is the two conditions. In that Lagrange's third condition is not required comparison to Rolle's theorem, that is the third condition. It is f of a is not equal to f of a, f of b is equal to not mandatory. But here f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c is a condition. Then there exists t belongs to a comma b is a value. And here now we'll go to discuss, and clearly we discussed based upon these two methods in the previous classes. Now we are going to discuss that same this one based on the Lagrange's theorem, some different type of the problems. Just to see this is the problem. What it is here, if a is less than b, then prove that b minus a by 1 plus b square is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a is less than b minus a by 1 plus a square using the Lagrange's mean value theorem. And also deduce that the following conditions. First one, pi by 4 plus 3 by 5, 25 is less than tan inverse 4 by 3, less than pi by 4 plus 1 by 6 is the value. And second, reduce the condition 5 pi plus 4 by 20 is less than tan inverse 2 is less than pi plus 2 by 4 is the value. Okay, you need to observe it properly. First, we need to show that according to the first condition. The first condition verification is b minus a by 1 plus b square is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a is less than b minus a by 1 plus a square. That we need to verify the first condition. And anybody can discuss or can tell me what is the given condition ikkada, what is the limits in the a comma b conditions? Yes, Emma. Yeah. 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 Here, what is the condition? Lagrange's mean value theorem, what is the conditions here required? You remember? What are the remember the condition, Amma? What are the conditions? Main thing it is required. C belongs to A comma B. కనిపిస్తలేదు కదా. What is the rule theorem? A is less than C is less than B because of C belongs to A comma B. And here f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus C is a condition. This is the main thing you need to remember, that is a Lagrange's mean value theorem condition. And in this problem, first we need to verify this is the condition. Entering B minus A by something is less than something is less than B minus A by this is the condition. And anyone try to think like what is it here f of function? What is the function f of x is equal to? Anybody tell me what is the f of x in this function? What you are observing?
Tan inverse B minus tan inverse A, sir.
Anybody? What is the function? Only one person trying to tell. What about other persons? Try to think what is the function. Emma, anyone? All are in silent mode. What happened? I'm asking now, at least anyone respond properly. What is the consider f of x is equal to? Only one person is given the reply something tan inverse b minus tan inverse a. And try to tell some other person. Hey, am I audible or not?
Sir.
Then లంచెస్ పడుకున్నారే అందరు ఎక్కడో అక్కడ ఆన్ లో పెట్టి. మీరు ఇలా సైలెంట్గా ఉండి ఉంటే ఇబ్బందులు పడతారమ్మా, ముందే చెప్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ హియర్, ట్రై టు టెల్ సంథింగ్, ఎనీథింగ్. ట్రై టు ఓపెన్ యువర్ మౌస్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్. Yes. Number 18, 16. Number 16. 16. Okay. Any other persons? Only 2 persons are given the reply. Tan must be minus tan must be. ఇంకా మిగతా వాళ్ళు చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా. నేనే చెప్పాను అది కూడా. అది కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేయరు. ఏం అట్లా ఏందో ఎట్లా బాగుపడతారు. యా, f of x tan inverse f. I'm asking what is the assume that f of x. That assume that f of x is nothing but I'm asking in terms of x. In terms of x is nothing but you need to tell that only that f of x only. That f of x is nothing but what it is here. Tan inverse of x only. In terms of x adugutunnanamma. In terms of x adugutunnanante you need to tell what is the tan in terms of x only. If I am asking in terms of a comma b, you need to tell in terms of a comma b. Here it is a f of x means f is a function in terms of x. Therefore, you need to tell tan inverse x only. Sir, why we are going to consider tan inverse x is nothing but if you are going to observing this problem, this is the totally constants and this is the totally constants, but only it is available in terms of tan inverse like that. Therefore, you assume that the function is a tan inverse x only. Therefore, if it is that f of x is equal to tan inverse x, then what is the f dash of x is equal to? Anyone? Anyone? F dash of?
Sir, 1 by 1 plus x square.
Yeah, 1 by 1 plus x square. But we required not f dash of x. We required f dash of c required. Therefore, f dash of c is equal to 1 by 1 plus c square only. You need to observe. Enduku the formula is f dash of c is required. Therefore, f dash of c means first you need to identify what is f of x and f dash of x. And from this equation, you need to find out f dash of c only. Therefore, f dash of c is equal to 1 by 1 plus c square is a value. Therefore, coming to point f dash of c is equal to, you need to put here. Therefore, here f dash of c is equal to, what it is here? That whatever you obtain, that is 1 by 1 plus c square is equal to f of b. What is f of b is equal to? What is f of b? Anyone? What is f of b? ఏమమ్మా మరి?
tan inverse b sir.
యా, ఏదో బాధకో భక్తికో ఉన్నట్టున్నది మీ పరిస్థితి. tan inverse b minus f of a. tan inverse a. by b minus a. B minus a. This is the one part, it is completed. F dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by f b minus a is the value. Now, once again, you need to require what is the 1 by 1 plus c square is equal to 1 by 1 plus c square. Then how to get that 1 by 1 plus c square is equal to? That is by using the first one. This is the first one. What is the value of 1 by 1 plus c square? From this, a is less than c is less than b only. Therefore, if it is a is less than c is less than b, you need to find out that is 1 by 1 plus c square. But here it is a c square is required. But here it is a c only. Therefore, first you need to require c square. Therefore, if it is a squaring of here, then here also you need to square a square, and it is also square of b square. In between, signs will be not reflected. Less than is as it is. And once again, next we need to consider plus. Therefore, it is a plus c square plus c a square plus b square. Then here also there is no reflect the signs. Next we required 1 plus, and 1 plus also 1 plus c square. There is no change. It is also 1 plus a square, and it is also 1 plus b square. Here also there is signs will be not reflected. And what it is required? Reciprocal. Therefore, now you need to apply what is the reciprocal of this one. Therefore, from here it is equal to. Okay, here heat is equal to. You need to observe. You need to remember what it is here. I'm going to consider. Yeah. Now you coming to find the reciprocal. The reciprocal, that is 1 by 1 plus c square. And here 1 by 1 plus a square. 1 by 1 plus b square. Is it signs will be reflect or not? Less than అనేది change అవుతుందా కాదా? Is there any change the signs when you are going to reciprocal? ఏమా changing or not? ఏమా అంటే బొత్తిగా ఉన్నారేందమ్మా? రెగ్యులర్ ఉంటేనే దొరకటి కొట్ట చూడొస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ చేస్తుంది, అందరు సైలెంట్గా ఉన్నారు, ఎవరు రిప్లై ఇవ్వట్లేదు. What I want to do that here, less than, shall I put like less than or greater than? CR? What happened, ma? Huh? Yes, other persons respond.
సార్ అవుతుంది సార్.
మరి నేను అడిగేదానికి ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కరు రిప్లైలు ఇస్తున్నారు, మిగతా వాళ్ళు నేను అందరికి పేరెంట్స్ కాల్ చేస్తా, నెంబర్లు అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి నా దగ్గర. What the students are doing, I am not understanding properly. If I am asking like that, please respond properly. Whether it is changed or not. What I want to mention, at least tell me whatever you know that. What I want to put here, less than or greater than, in between this?
గ్రేటర్ దెన్.
నేను ఇవాళ కాల్ చేస్తాను మీ పేరెంట్స్కి, ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళకు, అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది. Greater than 1 by 1 plus a square is less greater than 1 by 1 plus c square is greater than 1 by 1 plus b square. But here our required the solution is in terms of the less than is required, but here it is greater than is available. Therefore, we need to change that less than. That means you change that direction. If it is a greater than of like this, then what it is here, then you put according to 1 by 1 plus b square is less than 1 by 1 plus c square is less than 1 by 1 plus a square. Enduku it is this problem is it is based on the greater than, but it required that to consider in the less than terminology. Therefore, we need to change that according to the less than terminology. Therefore, this is the first one is less than second one, and also this is the third one. And now you need to observe 1 by 1 plus c square. And what we obtain already 1 by 1 plus c square is equal to, that is tan inverse b minus tan inverse a by b minus c is the value. Therefore, this 1 by 1 plus c square is equal to, this is whatever we know that this value can be replaced. This is the value here in terms of this one. Therefore, after replacement of here, you need to observe that properly whatever it is a value. చూడండి ఇక్కడ yeah, now 1 by 1 plus b square is less than, this 1 by 1 plus c square is equal to, what is the value here? Tan inverse of b minus a by minus tan inverse of b minus tan inverse of a by b minus a is less than 1 by 1 plus a square. And again, now we required only tan inverse b, middle of that one. Therefore, this value can be cross multiplying on both sides. Therefore, it is b minus a by, that is 1 plus b square is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a is less than, here also the right side is also b minus a by 1 plus a square. Now you need to check the required solution, it is completed. That is b minus a by 1 plus b square is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a is less than b minus a by 1 plus a square is a value. All are agree or not? Yes. Emma, all are agree up to here? Any doubt? Emma, ikkadi varaku okay na? Okay. Now my question is, after getting up to here, okay, now after getting up to here, next, with the help of this getting the solution, our aim is to deduce the following, these two conditions. These two condition means, the first condition is, that is pi by 4 plus 3 by 25 is less than tan inverse 4 by 3 is less than pi by 4 plus 1 by 6. And also similarly, the second deduce also, this is the condition. And here, try to tell me how to verify that first condition, first of all. How to verify first condition? Anyone? This is up to here, one part is over. Next, with the help of this one, how to verify this is the first part? Anybody tell me what we are going to replace here, a and p value, you get this is a required solution. Anybody? Anyone? ఒకటే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుందమ్మా, రేపు మళ్ళీ 2 క్లాసులు ఉన్నాయి, రేపు కూడా రివిజన్ చేయాలి మీకు. Yamma. Anybody can guess how to verify the first deduce the condition from the above condition? By replacement of what is the value of A and B, you get the first equation. And by replacement of B is equal to what is the value, you get the required solution. Anyone? ఇలాగే ఉందామా సైలెంట్ గా? One person is given the reply A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. All are accepted? ఏ సెక్షన్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటారు అనుకున్నా కానీ మరి ఇంత ఆన్లైన్ లో ఇట్లుంటారు అనుకోలేదు. నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్. మీరు ఇలా సైలెంట్గా ఉంటే నేను కూడా ఇలాగే సైలెంట్గా ఉండాల్సి వస్తుంది అమ్మా. ఓన్లీ స్లైడ్ షో చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళిపోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. Just I am asking, try to tell something. What is assume that A and B? What you are expected? What you are thinking in your mind? Let us try to think. Try to tell something. సరే మిమ్మల్ని అని లాభం లేదు కానీ yeah, whatever the function it is attachment, this is the consider B only. Therefore B is equal to 4/3 and A is treated as that whatever the tan inverse of 5/4. The tan inverse of 5/4, the value is the 1. Therefore you need to assume that A is equal to 1 only. Therefore by using these are the logic 2 points, then you need to replace in this equation, then you get the required solution of that is the first part. Then how to get means you need to check it. That is B minus A. That B minus A is nothing but that is a 4/3 minus A is nothing but it is a 1. Denominator 1 plus B square is a 1 plus B square is a that is a 16 by A square is equal to that is 9 plus sorry less than it is a tan inverse B. The tan inverse B is equal to that is a 4/3 minus tan inverse A is the tan inverse A. A means it is assumed that 1 and less than that B minus A. That B minus A is a 4/3 minus 1 by 1 plus A square. That 1 plus A square is equal to that is a 1 square. Therefore you need to simplify. The numerator 4/3 minus 1 is nothing but the value is 1/3 after take the LCM. And again here denominator is also after that simplification, that is a 25 by that is a 9 and less than that is a tan inverse of that is equal to 5 or 4/3 minus tan inverse of 1. The tan inverse of 1 is nothing but that is a pi/4 only and less than that numerator it is also that is 1/3 and it is nothing but 2 is the value. The denominator em లేదు కాబట్టి treat it as 1 only. And here and who are not understanding here, then you treat it as tan inverse 1 is equal to that is a tan inverse of that 1 is nothing but tan that is a pi/4. Therefore by the properties of the inverse trigonometry, tan inverse of tan theta is nothing but that is a theta. Therefore pi/4 is a value. Therefore the value of the tan inverse of 1 is nothing but it is a pi/4. Therefore coming to point here, the simplify that 3 and 3 it is a 3 and also then after that write that numerator that is a 3/25. Therefore it is a 3/25 and again it is less than that is a tan inverse of that is a 4/3 minus it is a pi/4 and less than it is a 1 by 3 by 1 by 2 is nothing but that is 1 by 6 only. Therefore, it is a minus 4 by 4. Here we need to terminate that from the middle of the part. Therefore, then this minus pi by 4 is addition of this left side, that addition of this is the right side. Therefore, the value of it is equal to finally that is a pi by 4 plus 3 by 25 and less than it is a tan inverse of that is a 4 by 3, and it is also right side is also that is a pi by 4 plus 1 by 6 is the solution. Therefore, it is a one of the part it is completed. And similarly, same this pattern, you need to verify the second property also, second condition. Just a minute. Yeah, same the situation, you need to focus on the second condition also. Same ఇందాక నేను ఏదైతే ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను, you try to understand properly, then what it is here, same. That second one is also same by using this condition. Here, anybody can guess. Okay, మిమ్మల్ని అడిగి కూడా లాభం లేదు, నేను చెప్తున్నాను. At the same time, the similarly the second one is also, you need to consider A and also B value. That B is equal to, if you are going to observing that B is also, the value is 2 only. Therefore, B is equal to 2 only. And A is equal to same, the tan inverse is of that pi by 4. Same here also, A is equal to 1 only. Therefore, by using this condition, if you are going to replace that A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2, same you get according to in this simplification, same like this process, you get the properly solution. Yeah, and కావాలంటే గిట్ట మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. యా, మీరు కావాలంటే చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇక్కడ కన్సిడర్ f of x equal to tan inverse x in the interval a comma b. Since f of x is a continuous derivable, by using the Lagrange's mean value theorem, f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Thus, there exists p belongs to a comma b, that is a is less than c is less than b. And here f dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Hence, f dash of c is equal to 1 by 1 plus c square. Therefore, 1 by 1 plus c square equal to tan inverse b minus tan inverse a by b minus a. Therefore, it is same. Just now I explained properly. Same like this condition. This is the first part. It is over. And second part, you need to focus on here. B is equal to 4 by 3 and A is equal to 1. By using that first verification equation, you need to replace B is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1. And after that simplification, you obtain clearly 3 by 25 plus pi by 4 is less than tan inverse 4 by 3 is less than pi by 4 plus 1 by 6 is the value. And similarly, the second part is also B is equal to 2 and A is equal to 1. And actually, why I explained properly in the previous slides means, here if I shown directly, you are unable to understand why we are going to assume that tan inverse, that is B is equal to 2 and A is equal to 1 only. Because of that explanation, maybe you are getting clarity. Then based upon that, clearly I explained like how to consider and again how to verify this is the problem. Now this is also one other problem. And here also, what it is here, what is the problem here? Show that for any value of x is greater than 0, that 1 plus x is less than e power x is less than 1 plus x into e power x. And here also, if you are not going to properly concentrating on this one, you need to assume here also, just I am going to do that, explain here, the right side, you need to observe. What it is here, okay, I'm going to whiteboard, based on that you need to consider. Here, the function is, when you are going to observing the previous slide, that is f of x is the function is in terms of e power x. The limits are 0 comma x only. And here this is the condition you need to observe. Okay, and based upon this one, what it is here, ఎందుకు e power x అనుకుంటున్నానంటే the function అనేది e power x లో ఉంది కాబట్టి you need to assume that f of x is equal to e power x. Therefore, what it is here, from this f of x, you need to consider what is f dash of x, even there is no change. And f dash of x is equal to what is that here, f dash of c, therefore e power of c also. But here, that is 0 is less than x is nothing but that is lies in between. What it is here, 0 is less than, that is a c is less than, that is a x only. And here e power of c is required. E power of c means what it is here, what ఎలా రాయగల ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలుగుతాం c నుంచి అనేది ఇక్కడ సేమ్ మనకి e power of c లలో రావాలి కాబట్టి it is also e power of c less than e power of 0 is less than e power of x only. Therefore, it is 1 is less than e power of c is less than e power of x only. Therefore, e power of c, and what it is here, as we know that the formula Lagrange is f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by it is the b minus c is the value. Therefore, f dash of c, that is e power of c, f of b, that is e power of c, minus e power of b అంటే ఇక్కడ it is x only, and a అంటే ఇక్కడ 0 అంటే e power of 0 by b minus a, that is x minus 0. Therefore, after the simplification, it is e power of c is equal to e power of x minus e power of 0 is equal to 1 by this is the x only. Therefore, it is e power of c is over. Next, this e power of x c you need to replace here in this part, whatever according to the formula. Therefore, 1 is less than e power of c, that means e power of x minus 1 by x is less than e power of x only. Therefore, from this equation, this x part is also you need to eliminate. Therefore, that you can cross multiplication on right side and also the left side, that left and right side both sides. Therefore, x is less than e power of x is minus 1 is less than x into e power of x is the value. Therefore, this is the required solution. If you want a clarification regarding this one also, this minus 1 is also you need to put on both sides, that is a 1 plus x is less than e power of x is less than 1 plus that is x into e power of x is the solution. ఇది మీరు కావాలంటే గిట్ట క్యాప్చర్ తీసుకోండి చేసుకోండి, take a screenshot and also you comparison with the help of the what is the given problem. Either the problems are giving in terms of according to like this or in terms of like according to like this. You need to check it. I want to show that. చూడండి problem. This is a problem. Show that for any value of x is greater than 0, 1 plus x is less than e power x is less than 1 plus x into e power of x. Now you check it with the help of that what we did previously, that is on the slide also. చూడండమ్మా, మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసింది కరెక్ట్ ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Both are it is satisfied. Yeah. Now we need to go to discuss one other. This is also different. Yeah. In this problem, anybody can guess or try to tell what is a function here? First one. Anybody? What is the first function? Anyone? Using the mean value theorem, you show that x is greater than log of 1 plus x is greater than x by 1 plus x. For all values of x is greater than 0. Anybody? What is the function? Log of 1 plus x. Good. What is a comma b? What is a comma b? What is the a? What is the b? ఒక 5 minutes ఉందమ్మా. ఇక్కడ x is greater than 0. సేమ్ ఇందాకట్లాగానే e power x లాగానే. a is equal to 0 and b is equal to x1. ఇక్కడ సైడ్ చేస్తాను చూడండి వస్తుందా లేదా అని. f of x is equal to consider log of 1 plus x. f dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. f dash of c is equal to 1 by 1 plus c is equal to, we need that formula f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of b minus c. And f of b ante log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x minus f of a log of 1 by b minus a x minus 0. Therefore 1 by 1 plus c is equal to log of 1 plus x minus log 1 and 0 by x. That means 1 by 1 plus c is equal to log of 1 plus x by x is the value. And other condition, other side, that 0 is less than c is less than x only. From this equation, we need to consider what is the 1 by 1 plus c only. Therefore, it is plus c, there is no change, plus 0 plus x. And 1 plus is also there is no change, 1 plus c is less than 1 plus x. And here 1 plus is nothing but 1 is less than 1 plus c is less than 1 plus x. And we require that 1 by reciprocal. Therefore, when you are going to reciprocal of this one, then what it is here, signs will be changed. That is 1 by 1 is greater than 1 by 1 plus c is greater than 1 by 1 plus x only. And here 1 by 1 plus x is equal to whatever we got, this is the right side, log of 1 plus x by x. Therefore 1 is greater than, that is log of 1 plus x by x is greater than 1 by 1 plus x. Now we need to remove the denominator part, that is cross multiplying on both sides. Therefore x is greater than, that is log of 1 plus x is greater than x by 1 plus x is the value. That only we require the required solution. I think clearly understood. And similarly, what is the value of, what is the function you need to consider in that second one? What is the function? Anybody? ఇంకా 2 minutes ఉందమ్మా. అది ఆటోమేటిక్గా బై డిఫాల్ట్ సైన్ అవుట్ అయినా అవుతుంది, లాక్అవుట్ అవుతుంది. ఎనీబడి ట్రై టు టెల్. What is the f of x in the second one? Sin inverse x. That's good. Enduku the function is properly given, it is equal to the problem. Sin inverse x only. Yeah. It is sin inverse x only. Yeah. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ లలో ఉంది కాబట్టి సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ ఉంది కాబట్టి యు అజ్యూమ్ దట్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది అంటే ద ఫంక్షన్ యు అజ్యూమ్ దట్ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద at the time of the verification what is the b value a and b final verification a is equal to b is equal to attachment and b is equal to ఏంటి you need to assume that b is equal to 0.6 and a is equal to the value of sin inverse of pi by 6 sin inverse of pi by 6 అంటే sin 30 అంటే 1/2 అంటే a is equal to you need to consider 1/2 అంటే after that verification of that one you need to replace that a is equal to 1/2 and b is equal to 0.6 you get the required solution and here what is the required sin inverse x derivative what is the sin inverse x derivative amma what is the derivative of sin inverse x yes what is the derivative of sin inverse x ఏం తెల్లదా yeah sin x derivative ante cos x but sin inverse derivative of x is nothing but 1 square root of 1 minus x square if you know that the formula then only you get the solution properly if you don't know the formula you are unable to get the solution that I am telling clearly you remember that sin inverse x that is f of x is equal to sin inverse x that f dash of x is equal to you need to require that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ మనకి ఇక్కడ కావాలి డెరివేటివ్ and after that you continue that same as that you need to assume that values then you get the solution